Welcome back to Low Buck Builds. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the new shop truck. We'll do a quick walk around and give you an update on all the other projects going on in the shop. I should have been a fishing YouTuber. Alright, so this is our 2003 Chevy Silverado that I picked up for $1,300. I'm hoping to get this back on the road for under $1,500. Right now, it runs, it drives, it shifts, it stops. All it needs is a muffler, some shocks, and a little bit of steering work. And then some little things here and there. Go ahead and do a quick walk around of this guy and I'll show you what we got. So you can see a little bit of broken grill. We're missing that plastic piece under the bumper, which I bought. I just got to put on. So the biggest deal cosmetically is on the inside. We're missing a door panel and the window motor, which I might just replace this whole door if I can find one cheap enough. Besides that, I mean, it's about as pretty as you would expect for a $1,300 truck, but it runs and drives, and that's what I'm more worried about. Got a little bit of rust on the back fender, but that's pretty normal. I mean, actually, it's really not that bad. We gotta do... I had to put a tail light in. I've already done that. I'm gonna do a tailgate handle, which I already bought for 12 bucks. The other fender's about like the same. Actually came with a really nice Cobalt toolbox. Somebody glued cab corners over the top. It's actually that plastic, so we might fix those the right way in the spring. This door and stuff look pretty good. We got our door panel on this side. Like I said, interior looks pretty good for 1,300 bucks. Got a little hole here we need to patch up. Besides that, everything works. So overall, for $1,300, I can't complain. I mean, it's a good running truck. It's got a little, I think, a 4-inch lift on it. And we just need to do a muffler because it's a little bit loud, and some shocks and a little bit of steering work in the front, which I'm gonna get started on after this video. And here's our Firebird, which I've been waiting for the fuel pump to come in, which it did yesterday. So as soon as we get this truck up and running, the Firebird's gonna be next. So an update on our 2001 TJ project. I need to get it in. I need to get it up off the ground and check out the steering, find out what components I need to order. I'm planning on doing that as soon as I get the truck done, because I need to get this one back up so I can have it as a backup vehicle. So lastly, we still have our boat project. It's sitting in the back. I probably won't do anything with it till spring, but I did order some blue vinyl, start redoing the interior. I'm looking forward to get this going because I want to do some fishing and get this boat out once it warms up. But as you can see, we're in the middle of snowmageddon right now, so this one isn't much of a priority compared to the other ones. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Those are the projects for the channel and the kind of just an overview of where I'm at with everything. So the next video you will see will be me doing the exhaust, shocks, and stuff on the truck to get it on the road. And then after that, a quick one on the Jeep just to kind of see what we need to order to get the steering going on it. And then we'll get the Firebird back in the garage so we can get that fuel pump switched out and get it back on the road as well. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, you want to see these projects, hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, always hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.